Hello everybody, it's me Shania. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a wig review for this braided hairstyle by Fabelle. It's Fabelle. Y'all know I can't speak, so let's get started. Make all the jokes you want. At the end of the day, I'm a baddie. Okay? But we got this wig from this wig company right here. Yeah, and this is how it is. We're gonna be doing a tutorial. And y'all, I absolutely love this wig. I was saying, I'm not gonna lie, I was talking my little you know, throughout the video, because I wasn't feeling it, because I thought my head was shaped weird. I was projecting onto the wig. It's not the wig, it is me, but I end up loving it. I mean, look at me. I look so cute. I look so cute. Go shop. I look so cute. But also, sorry, one quick announcement that I wanted to do is I need you guys to go shop Vines and Branches, my lip gloss company that I launched. You already seen about it on my Instagram. And if you didn't, and you're following my YouTube, I launched a lip gloss company / eyelash company. You want these pair of lashes that I have on right now? You want to look like me? You want to be so cute? You want to just be adorable? Go shop Vines and Branches. I know, go shop it. Right? We're going to do a little tutorial. You know what? Let me wipe off whatever. I had a lip liner on for the video. I took it all off. This is my shade Generosity. You see how dark and pigmented it is? Y'all, go down here, Look how that's so sexy right here. And this is my shade Love. Guys, don't I look smexy? And this is Healing for that extra gloss. I can mess it up all I want and it stays on my lips because the formula I made for this is built different. Didn't I tell you guys this is homemade? So yeah, back into the video, but I just wanted to promote my product real quick. I hope the company don't get mad at me. It's my product, okay? But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. I absolutely love this wig. And I will be making Instagram posts, so once this video come out, I better see you guys liking my video. That's all I'm gonna say. I better see y'all liking my posts. Instagram is linked in the description, and go follow my Twitch. And I did get approved to stream on YouTube, so if you guys want to see me stream, hit me up. Anyways, bye, toodaloo. I love you. Watch the video. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. It's me, Shania, and I got this braided wig from Fabelle. You got that E, they got the dash on top. I don't know how to pronounce that. I did take French for 3 years, but I still don't know. But yeah, we got this wig from this place. And I got a little wig on, but we're gonna snatch this off real quick. But let's talk about the packaging. Let's get into the packaging. Pink box, wrapped, little sticker. They come with a little, whatchamacallit. We don't really need none of that other stuff. But I got boho braids. I think this wig in total cost me like 100 and like, I didn't pay for it, but I think it cost like 170, 150, which is really good and affordable price, right? It's so cute. I mean, look at her. And she's long, and bro, oh my hands just run through this. Like, it runs through this. It comes with edges. I do pretty big edges. The edges on this is kind of small, but that's just me because I'm dramatic. I mean, as you can see, right? It comes with the back. It's supposed to be boho braids. As you can see, these parts are parting, but they just look super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna take it, put a stocking cap on for you guys, and then we're gonna get back into the video. Foundation, right? I say use a foundation that's like one shade, or like mix it with just a tiny bit of concealer to make it lighter. And the reason why I said this is because foundation darkens over time, and so if you're planning on having a stocking cap on for a long amount of time, you need like one shade lighter, simply because when it starts to darken and deoxidize and, you know, kind of sit for a little while, it's going to lose some of its color and it's going to become a darker, more dull color. right? That's why when, so yeah. That's why I was like to use like such a lighter color. Because even when I take off my makeup, it's still gonna look natural, right? Let that dry. Handy dandy. Ooh, wait. Okay, and then we're just gonna cut this elastic part. I don't like these wig stocking caps because they be too strong. I'm trying to take my whole wig thing on, right? I'm trying to decide how big I want my forehead to be today. Like, I usually don't mind my forehead, but in my Discord, which you all should join lately, they've been making a lot of forehead jokes, and I'm this close to blocking everybody. I never really care how my stocking cap looks, because it's just like, y'all ain't gonna see it. Out of sight, out of what? Out of sight, out of mind. Okay. You wanna know something? My friends, I have a male friend who watched all my YouTube videos, and this nigga got a picture of me every time I got a stocking cap on. Every single time. We're gonna do the color again, but like, let's get into these braids. Okay. How y'all feeling? Cause I thought these were gonna be smaller parts. These are kind of big parts. These are getting XL. Right on. Hey, it's Shania. I'm gonna make it work somehow. Right, let's put this back on my head. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's back up a little bit. Oh, can I get commotion for the dress? Look at the dress. I don't put no makeup on the dress, but the dress looks good. I will be taking Instagram pictures after I figure out how to style this, but first, our first goal is to glue this baby down. See me, I'm allergic to most wig company glues, and every time I put wig company glue on me, Dalta, I don't know what they're called, but whatever I put them on me, it's like, it's super bad. I break out at the scalp, all my skin becomes irritated, I start getting bumps everywhere, so I just use spritz. So we're gonna see, Ebanon, I know we canceled them, but I'm gonna use this bottle before I go fuck with another brand, I'm sorry. And I just brought this too, so y'all might see it for a little while, but yeah, we're gonna go around the perimeter. It's like, I wanna be mad at somebody, but I have to be mad at myself. That's the only person I could be mad at. We're gonna do 3 layers of this. We're gonna let that get tacky, spray another layer, let that get tacky, spray another layer, let that get tacky. But yeah. Make sure I get the middle part where it's supposed to be. It's a little tacky now. As you can see, it has a little stick. So what I'm gonna do, bring it, I think I want my hairline to start right here. That's too low, just too low. I'm sorry, I like my fake forehead. Start right here, we're gonna go up, bring it down, push in, up, bring it down, push in. Oh my gosh, I just gave myself an extra eye lift. There we go. Okay, I kind of did a little trimming so I can lay flatly on the band, but we're about to cut. I don't want to cut the hair. I need as much baby hair as I can get. Ooh. What? Oh, ooh. I'm sorry, guys. I have to make weird noises. If I don't, it's not gonna be good. Okay, just how it looks. We're gonna cut the other side. We're gonna start from the back instead. And oh, that hurts. Oh, yeah, I got a piece of hair because that hurt. So what I'm gonna do, because while my edges are pushed back, I'm gonna go in with a thin layer of this. Oh my y'all saw that melt? All of these a little more foundation, and that will be like melted into my head. But yeah, we're just gonna go on the side, and then we're gonna go in with another band for like another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna do our edges, okay? Okay. So I pulled the edges out, and I'm gonna use my tinted mousse, which is like a tint, to make this more of my color. But I'm gonna be doing a lot of dramatic baby hairs. I pulled the edges out of the braid, but this braid still retained its shape. Like, even though I was like, it still retained the shape. Like, y'all, I'll give it points for that. But yeah, I'm gonna go do some dramatic edges. I would show you guys my edges, but I can't. I literally cannot film and do this. I'm sorry. I gotta put on some gospel, because if my edges aren't the way I want, I'm gonna cry. I'll be back. Y'all gonna see me though. Hi guys, I am back. I did my edges and I styled it with a little puff up the top. But guys, honest review on this wig is cute. Now they did let me pick, but this is like super cute. They gave me enough edges, but if I like my edges real big, so I kind of took some from the hair, and it didn't damage the hair that much at all. Also, the hair, like, I did my edges real easy. It only took me like 10 minutes to do this. Anything else? The boho style. The hair, even though I think it's synthetic, it still feels nice. Like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna tangle in like 4 days. You still gotta wrap it up though if you want to prevent tangling. I really do enjoy it. Like, I look cute. Like, I look real cute. And like, I feel like I can walk outside and nobody's gonna say, oh, she got a wig on. Now, did I give myself a smaller forehead? Yes, I did. Did I wish I didn't? Yes. Because to me, I like my big forehead. I just decided to put it on lower today. But other than that, like, y'all, this is a really cute hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video of me looking like a freaking bomb, attractive, beautiful. Okay, let me stop. I'm gonna stop this whole gazing. But yeah, also, everybody join my Discord, follow me on Twitch, do everything. Also shop Vines and Branches. Vines and Branches, my lip gloss company. I'm gonna show you guys a little tutorial. Well, I'm gonna do that in the intro. So yeah, I love you guys. I love you. I know. I hear you. I have 3 makeup videos coming out in the span of next month. I'm going to feed you guys well, so be prepared to eat. Be prepared to eat.